Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear viewers, inshallah, in today's video, you are going to learn Nazra Quran Pak, Para 1, Suratul Fatiha from ayat number 1. Inshallah, in this video, you will be learning how to apply the rules and which rules are being applied in different words and how to read the words according to the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Let's start reading. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين. Look at the word Alhamdulillahi. It is Alhamdu. Pronounce Ha from the middle part of your throat. Do not say Alhamdu. It's not Alhamdu, but it is Alhamdu. And then you have to read the Lam of Allah's name in a thin tone. Lillahi. Do not say Lillahi. And then Rabbil. Ba is a kalkala letter and mushaddad in this word, so you have to read it with emphasis like this, Rabbil Alameen, and then pronounce Ain from the middle part of the throat like Alameen. Do not say Alameen. If you say Alameen, that means you are reading Hamza. It's not Hamza, it is Ain, pronounced from the middle part of your throat like Alameen, and then stretch Madde Arid at the end of this word. Let me read again the same ayat. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Next ayat. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. You have to apply the same rules here. Pronounce Ha from the middle part of throat and stretch Madde Arid at the end of the word. Maliki Yawmiddin. You can see Zabar before Waw Sakin. It is Waw Lean. You have to read Waw Lean without stretching and without sudden pause. Do not stretch Yawmiddin and do not make sudden pause as Yawmiddin. Read like this, Yawmiddin, and then pronounce Dal Qalqala letter with emphasis. Next ayat. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu. Na'budu, it is Ain after Noon. You have to pronounce from the middle part of your throat. Do not read as na'budu, but say na'budu. In the same way, nasta'in. Do not say nasta'in. It's not Hamza. It is Ain. You have to say nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Some people read iyyaka as iyyaka. Iyyaka na'budu. So it's not iyyaka. You can see alif madda after ya. And you know alif madda is pronounced by stretching up to 2 harkat. So you have to say Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Next ayat. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Now it is ha ihdi. It's not ihdi, but it is ihdi. You have to pronounce ha from the bottom part of your throat like this, ihdi. Nasiratal, and you know Sad is a mustalia letter. It is always pronounced in a thick tone, so you have to say Siratal. Do not say Siratal. Siratal. Ra is also thick because Ra has Zabr on it, and then Ta is also from mustalia letters, so you have to pronounce Ta with thick tone as well. And then Mustaqim, Qaf is a mustalia letter. You have to read with thick tone, and then it will be Madde Arid at the end of this word in the case of Waqf. So you have to stretch up to 4, 5 or 6 harakat. Let me read again the same ayat. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Next ayat. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim. Siratal, Sad, Ra and Ta. All of these letters will be pronounced in a thick tone, like this siratul. And then lavina, lavina, dhal is pronounced without whistle, so you have to say lavina softly. Do not read lazina. If you say lazina, that means you are reading za. It is not za, it is dhal, and dhal is pronounced without whistle softly. So you have to read lavina. And then an'amta. An'amta, it is ain pronounced from the middle part of the throat, like this an'amta. And then alayhim, it is also ain pronounced from the middle part of the throat. If you say alayhim, that means you are reading hamza. You are changing the letter. You are changing ain with hamza, which is a big mistake. So pronounce ain from the middle part, alayhim. Let me read again. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. And then next ayat. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. And now look at the word غير. Ghain is a mustalian letter, you have to read with thick tone. And then you can see zaba before ya sakin. It is ya lean. You have to pronounce ya lean without stretching and without sudden pause. And then maghdubi, you have to pronounce dod with thicker voice, because dod is also a mustalia letter. And then alayhim, ain from the middle part of the throat. And at the end, in the last word, you can see tashdid, sukune asli after alif madda. So it is madde lazim. You have to stretch up to 6 harkat, like this. Waladdallin. Let me read the whole thing again. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Alhamdulillah, you have learned Suratul Fatiha. Inshallah, in the next video, you will start learning Suratul Baqarah.